Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. Week 3, chemistry, Hexter 6. We're beginning to study nuclear chemistry, as it says up here. We'll start with a discussion post of an observational activity. Make sure you do these posts. They're graded. This is going to be an activity where you can watch a short collage video of some images, and you're going to have to make some observations based on that. That's what I'll say for now. Lesson 1, pressure chart copy assignment. So this is a nice chart that explains the relationship between pressure and volume. Okay, so what I want you to do is copy it word for word, try to keep it the same format that it's in, and then submit it back to me right here. There we go. Lesson 3, nuclear energy and fission. Okay. So this lesson is a short reading, and then there's a short quiz on the next page about nuclear energy and fission. So if you go fission, not fishing, if you go through the reading, here is the short quiz right here based right on the reading. Then there is a video and an assignment to complete on the next page. The assignment is to list 5 things you learned from the video. Okay, and you can put them right here on the notes. There'll be one more assignment added this week. So get started on these. Another thing to keep in mind is that this is week 3, so assignments that are missing, that haven't been completed, will be marked 0 from weeks 1 and 2. So get after it. Let's get it done, okay? The good thing is they'll mark 0, but you can go back and do the assignment, and that will give you the true grade. There is no penalty for turning in the late work. So let's have a busy week. Take care.